what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Your boy is going to be flipping a £100 account live. I'm going to show you obviously live broker, show you guys that it's all legit. I'm making this video because it's been a high demand, high request for everyone. They want to see me flip, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to make a flipping series. We're going to flip £100 into X amount, could be £10,000 I might try. I'll keep uploading, and then if we blow the account, then I'll let everyone know. But without further ado, let's get into the video, baby. Yo, what's good? It's your boy TJ. We are currently flipping a £100 account for a challenge. Your boys got COVID. However, this is the account size. Okay, so this is the account size. £100 right there. We're gonna try and flip it to about £200–300. We've got gold buys. I believe gold can go back up to like 1930. So yeah, we're gonna keep holding. We entered buys, as you can see down here, and then we just scaled in again. We should see it make new highs, which would be insane. Right, I'm gonna vlog the process, see how much we can make with this. And this challenge should be a decent flipping challenge account. Could make an episode as well. Let me know in the comments. Let's go, baby. Okay, so we have currently got the account sitting on about £85 open trades, I believe. I added some extra positions because I believe 1930 is going to get touched. We've got take profit set at 1929, which I'll just show you. And it's really, really important to understand that we've got open trades plus £75. So we started with £100. We can't blow it yet, even with these extra positions added on. When trades come back and open to zero, I won't take drawdown. I'll just close all my positions and start again with £100. However, I'm trying to maximize my profits for the biggest potentials for the entertainment of the series, because I don't know how much we can get this account to. I'll put the MyFX book up as well, because you can see that it is a live account. But yeah, a lot of requests for this type of video, which is why I'm doing this series now for YouTube, so I can upload one every other day, and we can just start using all the VIP trades sent to VIP, link in description, for these flip challenges. So if you guys want to be involved, then you can. But we're running plus £105 now. Let's see how well this can do. I'll update you, obviously. If we smash take profit, then we're celebrating. But yeah, let's go, baby. So I've got the charts open at the moment, and yeah, we've got 1920 entry here. So we've got buys right now, 1920. Great buys. SL's obviously at entry for these trades, but we're looking for 1929 just here. Should be an easy take profit. Hopefully, fingers crossed anyway. Hopefully we break out the highs, and then we obviously get some sort of retest, or we could just keep going bullish. Depends on the market and how it moves. Currently time is 12:52 as well, so still a bit of time for the New York session to open. Hopefully we fly up and we just make some insane profits for this flip challenge. Let's go, baby. Okay, so this is currently how we're looking. Gold's at 1926, was at 1927, spiking up loads. Hopefully we're gonna smash take profit. I closed a few positions because it started pulling back a little bit, so I wanted to make some easy profits, so I closed for plus 23 overall pounds profit. But this is what it's in open trades, just so you guys can see clearer. We've got £73 right there, £80, £90, we're plus 200. It's going crazy right now. Gold's absolutely flying. We're waiting for take profit to be here at 1929, so I'll update you guys when that hits. But yeah, look at that. Let's go, baby. We are currently running plus £110 profit right now. I'm gonna close these trades right here, and I'm gonna screen record it so you guys can see on the corner of the screen. We're doubling the account right now, so no need to take extra risk. Oh my god, we are flying, boys. We're about to smash all take profits. We're at 28.22 right here. Obviously, you guys can see in the screen recording anyway. So, your boy TJ is going to close all of these trades. Beautiful profits have been made. Small lot sizes. There we go. TP smashed. Plus £200, £213 profit on that trading session. We only took one loss out of all of those trades because pulled back and we didn't actually have the margin space, which is why you've got to risk manage. But with this trading account, with this insane trading account, look at that. Take profits all smashed. Gold absolutely flying, 1930, probably will sell. Let me go show you on my setup. Crazy stuff as well. I love this setup, but there we go. TP absolutely smashed. If you want to see more of these flip videos, let me know. Your boy TJ will do more. I'm going to make a series of this. We're going to see how much we flip it. So we started with 100 quid. We're now at 300. We times up for it by over 200%, which is crazy. And yeah, let's see how much it's go. Obviously, it's a live account. I've shown everyone that. Check the links in the description. We've got Discord. I'm doing an FX group for signals, a gold group, and mentorship. We've got Supercell all over them, so go check them out, link in the description. A free trading group as well. I'll put on the screen how much money we made, but it's about 240, 300 pips just in free trades. So, you know, it's over 10% in a week, and that's using 1% risk. Let's go, baby. Insane stuff. Appreciate the support. Streaming every other day after I get rid of COVID, every other day on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on and jump in the live streams. I actually do live trading in there. We make calls and make profits. So without further ado, it's been your boy TJ. Much love on the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.